Hi, my name is Jamie Bianchini, co-founder and CEO here at Pi, and I'm here to talk about purpose-powered Microsoft in under 30 minutes, how to transform your Microsoft expense into donations to the causes that your team loves. Let's dive right in. So first is our partnership with Velocio. We really wanted to find the best Microsoft partner possible. And so they are full stack solutions provider, but not only that, they're a 28-time Microsoft Inner Circle Award winner. They're at the top 1% echelon of partners for their experience, their dedication, and just overall performance. Also Indirect Provider of the Year, also Dynamics Business Central Provider of the Year. So really wanted to go with the very best to run this awesome program I'm going to send you now. So you're in good hands, first of all. First step is to do a no cost, no obligation review. This is about 5 minutes to do this review process. You can either email us or you can upload it to a secure drive. What we need to see to start this is a list of your current licensing, the number of seats of each of the licenses, any renewal dates of contracts that you may be in, what are your payment terms, are you paying month to month, annual, yearly, annual, monthly, and of course pricing. We need to know how much you're paying for this license, this whole environment of licensing, because we always intend to match or preferably even beat the pricing whenever possible. So we're then going to send you by email a quote for you to review and sign. It looks like a quote a lot of resellers would send you, but if you look up Closed-Hearts, it's quite different. In addition to the actual subscription total, what the annual commitment is in the quote, the most important part of our quote is your impact estimate. This is where you're going to actually see the estimated donations per month, per quarter, and per year for that expense itself. We're the only company that has this amazing offering, and it is the best part of our offering. So once you accept that and say this is great, we're going to send you a link to our Pi payment portal. We're going to request that you set up your recurring payment via ACH, as that optimizes donations. You can pay by credit card, but there's a 3% reduction as a percentage of the expense. So we invite you to use ACH, because remember, nonprofits need our financial resources a lot more than Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. I think we would all agree. So you're going to add that payment method, preferably the bank account. You can put on your payment method. We all know how to do that. Then you're going to receive via email an approval to choose Pi as one of your CSP resellers, right? You click that link and then approve us and authorize us as your partner. This only approves us to sell you software and be your software to procure that. We're then going to fulfill that order via Velocio, and congratulations, it was easy as that. That's usually under 30 minutes, and now every email sent, every Teams meeting, every document and spreadsheet makes a difference. That is something to be excited about, and something that your team is going to be excited about, because they use this solution every day, day in and day out. So the last step is going to be with your global admin. We'll know what this is granting us some GDAP to Pi. It's a granular delegated administrative privileges. Very simple. We're not asking for anything more than just the ability to create tickets with support administration, and then be able to have read-only rights to some reporting to make sure you're optimizing your licensing. That is the only thing. So there's no risk of us going into the environment. We're not going to ask to be able to make any changes inside the environment itself. You're going to get a link. You click that link, and that allows us to work our magic. Now, what about administration of purpose-powered Microsoft with Pi? You're happy to say that the administration is identical. Nothing changes. The environment stays completely unchanged. The only time you're going to reach out to support is if you have to add or change licenses. If you need to increase license counts, you simply drop us an email. If it's urgent, you create a ticket that makes our phones ring and buzzers go off to make sure we take care of your licensing changes quickly. Support tickets, you just open up a ticket on our support page, or give us a call. We're happy to help solve that issue or escalate it with Velocio for the fastest resolution. And that brings me to a really important benefit of working with us and Velocio is ticket escalation. If you have a mission critical issue that needs escalation, that's the most important time where you need a good partner. Velocio, again, top 1% of global partners for 28 years. There's no faster way to get urgent tickets escalated than this partnership. So again, 28-time Inner Circle. It is the most power that you can get to escalate urgent tickets. So how are donations going to work once we get this all set? This is an example of one of our first clients. They're green certified. That means they have 4 services. We send a donation and a check on their behalf, and Real Wealth gets a copy of this exact image right here for their records. That ends up counting for 1%. B Corp pledge 1%. ESG reporting, any kind of reporting that you're doing for your team. Real Wealth gets to celebrate that 2 lives were changed from their phone expense. And because they touch the phone every day, and we can use employee engagement to let them know that the phone so that they're picking up every day has a different. This happens every year, year after year, systematically without any cost to the business. So after that, we do recommend activating the partnership to invigorate the brand and culture. We do a really great keynote that I give to invigorate culture. We can make assets like I've shared before to remind your team and engage the team, as well as branding. Invite you to become not only a certified member, but move through other services and put this on your website and other kinds of collateral. So that's it. In under 30 minutes, you can either self-onboard through these steps, or you can book an onboarding call with myself or someone from our team. We'll walk you through this and a way to liberate available capital from your Microsoft spend in 30 minutes or less. Join the movement. We look forward to being of service, and thank you for watching.